In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 industries that will make you rich. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Here is the list of the top 5 industries that will make you rich. Let's start. Number 5. Financial services. The financial service industry has created the greatest number of millionaires since modern times, according to the Wealth Report. In the business of money, people make a lot of money. Behind the most successful ventures in the world are people and organizations skilled in deploying and growing money. Think about it. The financial system manages all the money people make worldwide. It could be a commercial bank, investment bank, hedge fund, insurance, or a wealth portfolio. And when people transact their money, it's usually through some financial institution. The foundation of the entire world's economy is built on the finance industry. Most of the economic crises in history often originated from the finance industry, like the 2008 global financial crisis. Likewise, most of the world's economic prosperities are linked to the finance industry. The economy is made up of many different segments called sectors. These sectors are comprised of different businesses that provide goods and services to consumers. The variety of services offered by lending institutions, brokerage firms, and other businesses is collectively referred to as the financial services sector. The financial services sector is comprised of banking, mortgages, credit cards, payment services, tax preparation and planning, accounting, and investing. Financial services are often limited to the activity of firms and professionals, while financial products are the financial instruments these professionals provide to their clients. Number 4. Technology. Technology comes next to financial services for creating the highest number of millionaires. In fact, both industries are the catalyst for each other. The marriage between the financial service sector and technology has created enormous wealth like nothing conceived before it. And both industries are the engine of other industries today. Technology, in particular, has played out well in the hands of the younger generation. I can't even imagine what the level of unemployment would have been in a world of over 7 billion people without technology. And if you think about the hatch economic environment in this part of the world, it would have been a disaster without the opportunities technology has provided for the younger generation. In fact, no other industry creates wealth as fast as the technology industry. Take for instance Zoom. Zoom was founded in 2011. Humans have been using technology long before we even had a word for it. The moment we started fashioning tools to accomplish a task better than we could on our own, we were using technology. Essentially, that is what technology is: the knowledge and application of certain methodologies and skills in the creation of products and services that fulfill specific needs. One word that often goes hand in hand with technology is invention. Technology by its very nature is inventive, either improving on what currently exists or creating something never seen before to address a problem or issue. One of the earliest applications of technology was the invention of the wheel. We created a deceptively simple apparatus that revolutionized our lives by making it that much easier to get from one place to the other. There have been few inventions since that have had such a profound effect on human life and thrust us forward so inexorably into a future of rapid technological progress. Comparable with the wheel are the inventions of the steam engine, the harnessing of electricity, and most recently, the advent of the internet. All these technological advances were catalysts for unprecedented change and have shaped the world we live in today in significant ways. Number 3. Real estate and construction. Real estate is the oldest source of wealth in the ages. Shelter is a necessity of life, whether for private or commercial purposes. This makes real estate one of the oldest and most inclusive industries for creating wealth. By inclusive, I mean that it is open to as many people as are willing to be a part of it. Most wealthy people either got wealthy from real estate or grew their wealth from real estate. The real estate industry has an extensive value chain from property acquisition to construction, maintenance, management, professional services, advanced security, and other related activities. If you are looking to grow your wealth, you can't go wrong with real estate. Sales and marketing firms work with developers to sell the buildings and units they create. These firms earn a commission for creating all marketing material and using their sales agents to sell the inventory of completed units. These firms typically focus on new units. Property management firms help real estate owners rent out the units in their buildings. Their jobs include collecting rent, showing units, fixing deficiencies, performing repairs, and managing tenants. They charge a fee, typically a percentage of the rent, to property owners. There are a variety of real estate professionals who work in the industry and help make it function. The most common examples, other than the ones listed above, are accountants, lawyers, interior designers, stagers, general contractors, construction workers, and tradespeople. Real estate development is a process that involves the purchase of raw land, rezoning, construction and renovation of buildings, and sale or lease of the finished product to end users. Number 2. Health. No matter where you live, we can all agree on one thing: health is wealth. This global pandemic has brought this truth to our attention more than anything else in recent times. If the health industry is threatened, everything else comes crumbling down. The global pharmaceutical industry is worth over $1 trillion. But that is just a part of the health sector. The downside is that the health sector is more regulated than most other sectors for good reasons. Notwithstanding, the health sector offers huge opportunities to create enormous wealth. Number 1. Media and entertainment industry. Avengers: Endgame grossed over $2.79 billion from theatrical revenue alone. But you don't have to be as big as Marvel Studios to benefit from this industry. One of the biggest attractions of the media and entertainment industry is that it has about the lowest entry barrier than any other industry thanks to digital media technology. And it does not depend on academic qualification. Even the worst student in school can make it big in this sector. But I'll have to admit that this can be a disadvantage as well, because the low entry barrier means higher competition and more difficulty to stand out. Regardless, there is a lot of money to be made in the media and entertainment industry. People will always want to be entertained or get to know what's happening outside their environment. Films, music, video games, television, and the technologies that enable them are cash cows if you can be creative enough to stand out. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.